How to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Binance first of all, and if I go for the deposit and simply search for Toncoin. After searching for this, as you can see, we don't have anything right on this place. So either we can go with the Web3 wallet support, which is going to be shown on the bottom. So let's click on the Toncoin and click on go to Web3. After that, we will gonna find our address just like so, which we can copy, and then we can go onto our Tonkeeper and make sure to click on your Toncoin. Then click on send option. Then you just need to paste your particular address just like so. Now as you can see, it is going to show you red line because we haven't selected our network, which is Ethereum, which is not supported on Tonkeeper. So we need to go with the Ton network, which if I scroll down, there is no such an option of Ton network on Toncoin. So right now it's not possible because I have tried many things. You can transfer Notcoin, but you cannot transfer Toncoin at the time of recording. You can simply go with the USDT and then you can convert or swap into your Tonkeeper wallet by simply clicking on swap option and swap your USDT to Toncoin. So right now it is not possible to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance.